Hello guys, welcome back. What do you think of the headphone I made? And now let's check out today's newscast question. Look guys, it's a Bluetooth speaker. Next, here's a hand fan. Wow, this is a really big fan. There's still a lot of more stuff, guys. Oh, look here, a remote control car. These look really nice. Oh, here is another Bluetooth speaker. The build quality seems really good, guys. Oh, here is a trimmer charger. And look at this. An awesome crash video. And here is a transformer too. Oh, this is an old speaker. Oh, what is this? Oh guys, I got another transformer. Wow, this is really heavy. Oh, guys, this looks so funny. Here is an awesome toy. Wow, this is something really different. Shall we try to make this work? Guys, this is actually a mini projector. We need a darker place for this, guys. Wow, this is super cool. Oh, I'm really loud this one. Guys, let's try to fix this hand fan now. Oh, the battery is missing, guys. No problem. Let's try another battery. Oh no, it's still not working even with the battery. Let's open this up. Oh my multimeter, what happened to you? I think the battery is running low. Oh guys, the switch is faulty. Wow, this is really good fan. It gives good air. And now let's test the next Bluetooth speaker. Oh, the battery is dead. Let's connect another battery. Oh, the switch is also faulty, guys.
Welcome to your music world.
I have an idea to fix this switch.
Welcome to your
Oh my god!
Welcome to
My
your
idea
music
worked!
world.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Connected.
Oh, this is really good Bluetooth speaker, guys. Guys, I have another idea. Let me show you.
Is ready to pair.
Guys, did you like my idea? And now let's test the next Bluetooth speaker. Oh, this battery is dead too, guys. Let's try connecting another battery. Oh my god! See guys, it works perfectly now.
Ready to pair.
There is a small issue with the speaker, but the sound is really good. There are still a lot of items left, guys. Let's check them out in the next video. See you in the next video. Goodbye.